I just got this Southwest 737-800 in the mail a few days ago. I bought it from Waffle Collectibles on eBay. I'm aware that the owner does have a bit of, negative reputation, to say the least, but I tested my luck and thankfully it came in good condition. I think someone at NG Models must have a knack for graphic design, because even box designs for the same airline seem to vary based on the model. Clearly, someone puts effort into this, and I think that's awesome. The model itself is amazing. The livery seems to be spot on, and there's just such an incredible level of detail. Much of it is so small that I can hardly even see it. For example, the winglets display southwest.com quite legibly if you can get a camera to zoom in enough, but to the naked eye it just looks like a yellow smudge. There are plenty of other nice touches on this model, like the antennas and all sorts of markings and numbers. The gear are intricate too. They even managed to color the outer hubcaps red. Seriously, there's so much to love about this model. In conclusion, I'd say that this is an absolutely fantastic model. They sure aren't cheap, especially this one. It was $45, but it's very high quality, which I think made it worthwhile. One thing that I've realized starting this YouTube channel is just how much work it takes to plan, record, and edit these videos. Kudos to all those people who can do this type of thing on a regular basis.